I hear the cicada sound getting louder after the rain, and they're gonna live maybe 3 days a week and then die after spending 2-3 years under the ground. That's his life. And I was thinking about the will, spirit, determination of going through something. It's about enlightenment, but it's about life. To live life, we have to have some kind of energy inside of us. And if we cannot find it, that's when we get depressed and no way out. So how do we regain or find the energy? It's there. Cicada has it. We have it. We are alive. But we get depressed and cornered and no way out. Be patient, diligent, sincere.